Steven here from History Hustle, and I'm standing here in Persepolis, near the modern city of Shiraz, here in Iran, or basically I should say the Islamic Republic of Iran. This city here was constructed on the orders of Darius the Great, the ruler of the once so mighty Persian Empire, the rivals of the ancient Greeks. And the ancient Greeks referred to them as ruthless savages. But who were they really? In this video I'm going to focus on the Achaemenid Empire, which existed from 550 till 330 BC and was founded by Cyrus the Great. He united conquered territories here in Persia, modern Iran, and made it to a whole called the Achaemenid Empire. Now, what made Cyrus so great was his benevolent rule. He respected local customs, traditions, and religions in conquered territories. As long as people paid their taxes and kept the peace, they had nothing to fear. Take for example the Jews. They have been exiled by the Babylonians, but after the Persians conquered Babylon, they could return home to Judah. Cyrus the Great died in battle in 530 BC. After Cyrus' death, warring times came ahead, with his sons fighting for power. It was Darius I who managed to unite the kingdom once again, and he quelled rebellions throughout the empire. He was the new ruler and he started an ambitious building project, and one of these was the city of Persepolis, where we are now, or at least what is left of it, because it was destroyed by the Greeks. Alright, how did this all happen? Okay. The Greek city-states supported Greek rebellions in the western part of the empire, current Turkey. Now Darius wanted to teach the Greeks a lesson, and he crossed the Bosphorus Strait. How did he do that? Well, he made a bridge made of ships. The Persians were defeated at the Battle of Marathon. Darius would later die in battle in Egypt, and his son Xerxes continued the war against the Greeks. And what followed was a massive land and sea invasion of Greece. However, the Persian fleet was annihilated, and this left the Persian Empire vulnerable. Later, the Greeks were led by Macedonian king Alexander the Great, and they conquered the Persian Empire. And Alexander the Great is sometimes referred here to as Alexander the Destroyer. And you can see why. Because he destroyed Persepolis. And so the Achaemenid Empire came to an end. Other Persian empires followed, like the Sasanian Empire, the Safavid Empire, and other dynasties, the Afshari dynasty, the Qajar dynasty, from 1925, the Pahlavi dynasty. And that's what we're going to talk about next time. Don't forget to subscribe.